This business sold for $50+ million, and Philip does $2.1 million a year off one location. And if you own one of these franchise locations, it does on average $1 million per location. In fact, the market size of this industry is estimated to be worth $40 billion by the year 2025. So what's the industry? House cleaning. So how is it possible that Philip can make $2.1 million a year and all these other companies are making $1 million a year, yet you can go and start a house cleaning company today and start making money? Well, the fact is that there's not one company that owns more than 1% market share of the house cleaning industry, which makes it one of the most fragmented industries there is. What that means for you is that you can go and start making money today pretty easily. No matter how many cleaning companies there are, there will always be room for more.
And in the cleaning business, you compete against dinosaurs, boomers. Now I challenge you, go and call the first 10 cleaning companies that pop up in Google in your local area, and I'll bet you $100, at least 8 of them will not answer their phone. So that means winning in this industry is as simple as just picking up your phone. Plus, your competition uses outdated things like fax machines and pens and paper. You gotta keep in mind that 90% of the industry is filled with just one single cleaner, or maybe a cleaner and a helper that just go and rely on referrals and go and clean houses and don't really do anything else to market and scale their business. When you look at it like that, you're competing against a bunch of people who don't even want to grow and want to scale. So if you just come in with a mentality of, okay, I'm going to grow this business, I'm going to create a hiring process, I'm going to create a marketing process, and then I'm going to create a sales process behind it. Those are the 3 simple things you need in order to take a business from dirt to at least 20K per month without ever doing any of the cleaning yourself. On top of that, like I said, 90% of them are singular cleaners. These are people you can employ in your own business. And don't even get me started on the sheer amount of customers that are available for you to capture. Because not only do you have customers who just enter the market and want to find a cleaner that have never paid for cleaning before, you have people who get unhappy with their current cleaners and want new ones. You have new construction being built in probably every metro across the US and Canada. You have apartments, businesses, different facilities, schools, you name it, the list goes on as far as commercial goes. So the amount of customers out there that need quality cleaning companies that are actually gonna fulfill on what they say they're gonna do is through the roof. The supply does not meet the demand right now.
Another reason why this is such an easy industry to compete in is because their marketing looks like this, and their offers are literally get a free quote. That is what they offer to people. As long as you can have something that's branded nicely, you have a decent looking logo, and on top of that you have a good offer, like on your first clean get 15% off, or you get $50 off your first clean because of spring cleaning or whatever the occasion is, right? Then you stand out of the crowd. And lastly, there's a lot of people in this industry that are frankly just boomers, and they just don't really use technology to their advantage, when you could be using something like a CRM that manages all your customers and will follow up with them automatically. They're going to tell them when your cleaners are on the way automatically, and things like this allow the system to just flow a lot easier, which means that customers have better communication with you and they're just happier overall. So if you put all that together, you actually answer the phone, you have better marketing, you have better systems, and overall better customer experience, then you can absolutely print money in the house cleaning industry. So if you want to learn more about house cleaning, remote house cleaning, then check out some of our other videos where we talk about how to start a house cleaning business and all the other stuff that goes into it. If you like this video, you found some value in it, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one. Peace.